Welcome to BOC, the UK and Ireland's largest supplier of industrial gas. We are proud to offer our customers a one-stop solution for all their gas supplies and equipment needs. For the professional welder, we have a truly extensive range of nozzles. Our Combi range alone features 9 great choices. Whether it's sheet cutting, gouging, bending or welding, we have the high-quality specialist nozzle for the job. This BOC Combi propane heating nozzle is ideal if you are bending, straightening, preheating, shrinking or forming. It's suitable for silver soldering or heating castings and large pipes or tubes. Crucially, this nozzle produces great amounts of very concentrated heat and quickly. So that means useful cost savings too. The job gets done faster and labour time is minimised. The BOC Combi range has options for using both acetylene and propane and has specialist options for welding, sheet cutting and gouging. Buy your BOC Combi nozzles at the BOC online shop. You'll find plenty of expert advice and thousands of other products all in one place. Simple, fast, direct to you. Thanks for watching.